teachers, student parents, and teachers. School violence is a serious issue that affects the physical and emotional well-being of students. We must work together to stop its behavior and create a safe environment for all students. School violence can take many forms from bullying and physical violence to emotional abuse. It not only causes physical harm but also affects student mental well-being. Victims usually feel pain and unable to go to school. They lead to decline in their ability to learn and develop. The school violence can come from many sources, including family, friends, and the school environment. Some students may feel pressured, unsupported, and resort to violent behavior to cope with stress. Additionally, a lack of awareness and timely intervention from teachers can make the problem worse.
To address this issue, we need the combination of the school, police, and society. It is important to create a healthy school environment where students are taught kindness, respect, and unity. Preventive measures, such as organizing education programs about school violence,